Hide and Seek Extreme. Alright. Zero sanity. Yikes. No pills. Last week we were given smudges with no lighter, and now this week we have lighter without the smudge. But it is Camp Woodwind, so we do have the campfire at least. Alright, let's get started. Bruh. Bruh. Does this work? Okay, sure, this works. I'm not using this. What do I even bring in? Let's do this. Look for orbs and whatnot. And, this. And this. We have no light. We'll use the, we'll use this campfire. I'm fucked. Oh, why is it so fast? Can I hide? Oh, it's a rev. How easy is that? Easy. Any orbs? Any orbs? I don't see orbs. I don't care. It's a fucking rev. Let's go. Let's go. Watch, it's gonna be riveting. Oh yeah, easy. Watch this, guys. Ready? It's gonna be a nice strike. Strike. Uh-huh. Alright. Let's get back into it. Hehehe. Revving it right off the bat. So, we'll do the same thing again, I guess. And then we're gonna hold this. Alright, so it's not foggy anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rush for the campfire. Alright. We got some light. Most importantly, we need the breaker. Oh, something. Why? I don't hear it. Oh, now I hear it. Not a Miley. Hold on. Oh. So I think this hiding spot's so safe. Not gonna lie, the breaker is so loud. Any hiding spots in here? Alright, cool. I don't need to hide. Don't watch me die. Hello? Oh! It's behind me! Fuck! Twins. I don't know. That was my bad. Well, it's a haunt too.
Welcome back. I've got some jobs ready for you.
I couldn't hear it because the breaker is so loud. Maybe I should turn on the breaker, but I don't know. Well, I died. Let's get back in there. Alright. Not gonna lie,
I've got a report from
the
Sector 10.
campfire
Check
breaker is
out the
pretty loud. So I think I'm gonna bring myself dots and this. And you know what? Let's do this. Does the breaker start on? I have. Oh, the breaker's on. Oh, it's over there. No! I'm stuck! No! It did see me. Definitely not a yokai. I fucking Goryo. I think it saw me. There I go, right to it.
Welcome back. Job's ready for you.
Ugh, I am getting beat up here. Alright, I'm still gonna do the dots.
For investigating.
I'm gonna bring
We're receiving a report of suspect objects nearby.
this
See the reason I'm going to summon here.
and I don't know this.
May be able to verify.
You know what I really need to do? I need to like quickly find a hiding spot. Is there one there? No. Uh, to the washroom. Thank you. Watch this. With the dots here, it's gonna start flickering, right? I can't hear it. I can hear it a little bit. Not a miling. It sounds fast. It sounds fast even before this. Not a right. It's like not ideal. Moroi Thay. Hantu's also a good one. But it had to be freezing. Right? Can I leave? Thank you. Call me crazy, but I'm gonna look for freezing. And see if it's a Hantu. I mean, I got nothing to lose here. Are you freezing? Are you freezing? Oh, dude, I can't see for shit. I think it saw me. I don't hear it slowing down. But is it stay fast? I honestly don't know. Can I? Dude, I hate how the. Okay, let's see. This ghost. Uh, hmm. Not a rev. Right? It's fast. Moroi, Hantu, or Thay. Now, I don't have pills or smudges. And finding that ghost room is gonna be impossible. It's one of these three. Twins? I don't think so. I don't think it's stay fast. If it is, then womp womp. What if it's double Hantu in a row? I don't know. One of these two ghosts at least, right? Watch it be a mimic. Okay.
Welcome back. I've got some jobs
I
for
got
you.
lucky with my guess. I got so lucky with my guess. For sure. But it's a educated guess. I don't know.
Right.
Whatever. I think I should spend more time with the
Prepare
ghosts,
accordingly
but
before starting the investigation.
I'll probably end up dying. Let's grab.
The intel. Looks like this is going to be a tough one. We've had reports of violence,
Actually,
and it looks like they left in a
not
hurry.
this. We'll do this. And let's pump it to 2. We'll use. I think that's all we need, to be honest. And I'll bring this. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, so. We're gonna rush. Oh! What's a ghost event? Holy fuck! It's hiding here. I'm gonna die. Alright, so it was normal. I'd say phantom or something. I don't know. God damn it! Ugh. What's a wraith?
Welcome back. There's some jobs for
Did
you
it
to do.
teleport to me? Oh my god, it teleported to me. Oh, I should have known. Because it did the ghost event at the gates. And then it hunted me at the washroom. Or near the washroom. Or the ghost room is around the washroom and it teleported to me at the front of the gate to do a ghost event. Oh fuck! Oh, okay. I'd never thought about that.
Alright, we're here. Take a look
We'll
at the
do this
report
again.
and prepare accordingly before starting the investigation.
And yeah, why not? I don't know. I just need like a good ghost, to be honest. Right? Oh, freezing. Never mind, it's not freezing. That's a ghost event. Bring me in here. Bruh. Thank you. Not only. It's not hunting. I. Do not want to hunt. Let's do this here. Why is it not hunting? Your shade? It's a shade? Oh, now it's hunting. Set up ghost event. Oh, what the fuck? Is it a polter? I'm stuck. Yeesh. It is throwing things. I don't know. But, you know, let's assess this for a moment, right? Not a fast ghost. I'm not sure about Myling. Raiju, I have the little thing there. The fingerprint sting. Don't think it's twins. Not Hantu. Alright. Let's go pick this up. Oh, fuck! It's raining! I can't... Ah, shit. This is not good. Alright. Oh, not a phantom, right? I didn't even. Never mind. Let's do this. So we're gonna have like one over here. Ah! Serious? Are you serious? He's not a shade. I don't know. Fucking mare or something. Or actually, this is a poltergeist. Why not? I don't know. I don't think it's a polter though.
Welcome back. Like prepared some jobs.
How are we supposed to figure that one out? There's no candles. Whatever. You can't test out for spirit too, because you have no smudge. You can't really test for moray because we don't have pills or anything. So, this is pretty difficult. Oh, dude, it just spawned on top of me. Is it raining again? I think the strat here is to stay on the campfire. Right? We'll do this. Do this. But I want to see the ghost over here, so I don't know. Alright, ghost! Do your worst. Hello? Do your worst. So, you guys come here often? I just need a ghost with like a special ability or something. You know what? Is that hunting me? Imagine it started hunting me and just closed the gate and I just lost my sprint. Let's do this. This is gonna be really good, alright? We'll grab this. We'll grab this. And why not? We'll grab this. I think I heard a sound coming from this way. So let's just drop a crucifix there. Why not? And if something teleports on me, I'll put it over here. Right? If something teleports on me. And like... Salt? I don't know. Let's just place it down here. See if it does something. Right? And we'll put this over here. Why not? I just need to see. Because it's fucking raining. Why is it not hunting? You shade. Now something. What is that? Is that a thing? It's not a thing. Oh, it's a thing. I saw dots! Ah! Please! Oh! I just saw dots as well! Oh my god, it's a thing. It's a thing. It's a thing. It's a thing. Unless it's a Raiju. It could be a Raiju. Not a Dio. Ooh, you know what? You know what? It hunted behind me, right? So what I'm gonna do is this. I have to go back in. Let's do this. Ah! Turn this off. Turn this off. Get this off. And I go here. And here. And listen. Listen. It's one of these two, right? I mean, I could check for orbs. Fuck! Both of them have orbs. It just comes down to EMF 5 and ghostwriting. Oh, sorry. Wait, what? But EMF 5. Alright, yeah. So, EMF 5 or ghostwriting, right? Is it a hunting? Why isn't it hunting? Did the crucifix work? I don't know. Can you hunt? I can't leave. If I leave this place, I'm actually gonna die. But if it's still fast, I would know it's a day. It turned that on. Sure. Whatever. Okay, sure, sure. Why not? Why not? I think it's a thing because I don't see EMF 5 on the charts or anything like that, right? And has it been eating the crucifix? Can't tell. Write in this book or something. Let's just camp back here. I want to approach today. I'll literally explode. Don't see orbs. I've never seen orbs on this map. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, no, it's still fast. Oh, my. If you drop the camera, it should not be active. It's basically off. I don't see it, though. It's fine. It's a thing. It's a thing. I don't think it's a right. Because if you drop it in the ground, right, it's off. See? Yeah, it should be off. Everything's all off, but I don't see orbs! It's like super sneaky. Stealthy orbs. Is that an orb up there? Oh, there's orbs up there. Okay, yeah, there's orbs in there. Okay, cool. Well, I'm not here to gather evidence. We definitely see ghost orbs, so it's definitely fake. It cannot be a Raiju. Let's go!
There's some jobs ready for you.
Whew. Not gonna lie, I had my fair share of scares. It hunted on top of me and everything. Oh my god. I exploded so many times because it was hunting near me. Let's go. Almost level 1000. I hope I reach 1k before the level reset. Well, that should be it. That is the weekly challenge. For the challenge mode, I still have lots of opportunities to gain money and XP before the level reset. I would like to reach 1000. That would be very nice. Anyways, that should be it. See y'all next time. Or whenever. You know what? You too.